We've got some fresh updates on the upcoming Pixel 10 series, and yes, it's official. Google is hosting its Made by Google event on August 20, and the Pixel lineup is taking center stage. Now, we were originally expecting a mid-August reveal, just like last year's Pixel 9 drop on August 13. But this time, Google's pushing it a bit later, August 20 to be exact, which means it'll be closer than ever to Apple's iPhone 17 launch in early September. Let the flagship showdown begin. According to Mark Gurman from Bloomberg and sources like The Verge, the event invites have already gone out, and they clearly mention new Pixel devices will be unveiled. And here's what we're expecting. We're talking about 4 phones. The base Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, a larger Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the much-hyped Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Yup, Google's going all in this year, with even more models and new form factors. Now let's get into the good stuff, specs and features. All Pixel 10 devices will reportedly be powered by Google's upcoming Tensor G5 chip. The base Pixel 10 is said to be getting a camera upgrade, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could be the first foldable with an IP68 water resistance rating. That's a big win for durability. Google's not stopping at just phones either. The event is also expected to bring new earbuds and smartwatches, including the Pixel Watch 4, which also had some specs leak recently. Now for the pricing, get ready, because this is where things get real. Based on leaked European pricing, Pixel 10, €899 for 128 gigs, €999 for 256 gigs. Pixel 10 Pro, €1,099 for 128 gigs, €1,122 for 256 gigs, €1,329 for 512 gigs, €1,589 for 1 TB. Pixel 10 Pro XL, €1,299 for 256 gigs, €1,429 for 512 gigs, €1,689 for 1 TB. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, €1,899 for 256 gigs, €2,029 for 512 gigs, €2,289 for 1 TB. So yeah, this year's Pixel devices are definitely going premium, but with the added power, camera upgrades, and that new foldable in the mix, it just might be worth the splurge. That said, keep in mind, Google hasn't officially confirmed any of this yet, so while the leaks are coming from reliable sources, take it all with a grain of salt until the August 20 event rolls around. Alright, now I want to hear from you. Which Pixel 10 model are you most excited about? Are you considering the Fold or sticking with a classic slab design? Drop your thoughts down in the comments.